Okay, this is the cover page for Basic 1 Mathematics textbook. Yes, from Rock of Ages Easy Foundation. Yes. This is for first term. Yes. We have from page 1 to the last page of the book, page 93. Yes. Can we check one or two topics in the book? This is module 2. It's talking about multiplication of numbers by grouping and numbers in words. And writing in words. Okay, so we have class activity. We have the class activity and home activity for day 1, class activity and home activity for day 2, class activity and home activity for day 3, class activity and home activity for day 4, class activity and home activity for day 5. In fact, sometimes we also have weekend activity. Can you open to another one in another place? All right. This is okay. This is addition and subtraction of numbers. We have class activity and home activity day 1. We have a class activity and a home activity day 2. We have class activity, home activity day 3. We have class activity, home activity day 4. We have class activity, home activity day 5. That is the way the book is structured. So each day, all the topics has their activities for each day. Teachers don't need to write activities on the board. By using this book, the pupils will write the activities in the book and teachers mark. Thank you. Okay, so this is for book 2, mathematics textbook for book 2 from Rock of Ages Easy Foundation. This is the table of contents. The table of contents for each of the table of contents for first term. We have the one for second term and we have the one for third term. The next one, yes, the book starts from page 1 to the last page, to the last 3 for the 3, activity 4, class activity and home activity, activity 5. Okay, so this is book 3. Real mathematics commences from basic 3. From basic 1 to 2, they are all arithmetical aspects of mathematics. But the real maths commence from basic 3. So let's open. This is the table of contents of basic 3 textbook. The table of contents, we have place value, number in words, counting in twos, Roman numerals, LCM, odd and even numbers, number operation, multiplication of numbers, square and cube of numbers, and so on and so forth. Yes, let's move on. Yeah, this is chapter 1 of the book, and the book commences from page 1 to the last page, page 175. So let's look at some works that were done in the book. Oh, look at the square and cube of numbers. See the explanation, you see the examples, and then class activity 1, home activity 1 for day 1, class activity 2, home activity 2 for day 2, class activity 3, home activity 3 for day 3, class activity 4, home activity 4 for day 4, class activity 5, and home activity 5 for day 5. Okay, look at highest common factors, the HCF, the explanation and some methods. We have factorization method, open again, to solve HCF. We have another method that is also called division method to solve HCF. We also have the common factors method to solve HCF and they all have their examples before activity. So we have class activity 1 for day 1, we have home activity 1 for day 1, we have class activity 2 and home activity 2, class activity 3 and home activity 3, class activity 4 and home activity 4, class activity 5 and home activity 5. Okay, look at fraction part 1. We divided the fraction into parts. We have part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4 fractions in different books. Part 1 in basic 3, part 2 in basic 4, part 3 in basic 5, and so on like that. Okay, look at it. examples, the workings, and the conversion of fractions, and then activities. Thank you very much.